morning! So, we are doing the mangrove ride in this activity area while we are waiting to go and proceed actually to the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. So, our tour guide is processing all our requests, our papers, and then while doing that, we are directed here to the activity area, and we can choose whether we want to do the zip line or the mangrove ride. So we chose the mangrove ride. Yes. Yeah, that one, baby. Look, that one.
My dear visitors, maintain the balance of the
Distance.
boat.
Okay. With the stripes. It's like a yellow or white stripes.
Yes,
I think
yellow
it's
and
a
black.
yellow and black.
Oh, there's another one here. At the branch over there.
That one, baby. Stretch.
they're
All
many.
stretch.
At night
Yeah,
time.
that one. Snake. Yeah.
Ah, yes.
You eat small fishes. So the kind of snakes, they are poisonous, but they are nocturnal, sleeping during the whole day. So they are active at night time.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
So that kind of snake, the local people here, they call it binturan or mangrove snake.
Oh,
They
they're
are called
mangrove
mangrove
snake.
snake because that is the common here in the mangrove area. So we can find that or we can see that snake over here in the mangrove area. So we can see that. So in this area, the reason why no crocodile here in space is because of the fines or the speeds. But the local
Called a
the
ship
name is
worm.
Tabilok. The local name is Tabilok.
Yeah.
So they are the one who will give the most of the Philippine people eat rice and fish. Almost most of the people eat that. So you need to take good care. A lot of forest like Tabilok is special taste. Hey! Now are the best. Hey! Oysters are delicious. All of them nutritious. We must love and sharing. All of
So guys, we did the mangroves
Yeah.
and now we are waiting for what we are waiting for.
For our tour guide to return, since only, I think she mentioned that
Yeah.
only 1,400 tourists every day are being allowed. So they are processing. That's why she took a picture of our IDs to make sure that, we won't be, I guess, doing duplicate trips or something, or some other people using our identities. So we're just waiting here. They asked us to do the zip line, but we won't do the zip line this time.
So we have to sit here and wait.
Waiting sucks.
We are completely bored.
Yeah. And those guys are.
People are sleeping. Vendors are not allowed here, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them.
Vendors.
It's a wonderful day today. More fun in the Philippines.
It's more fun in
I'm
the
happy.
Philippines. We are here in the dispatching area, as you can see, to ride a boat, not really a small bangka, but an average one, to going to the underground river. But first, we have to go through a wildlife sanctuary for wild animals. We have to go through there before we can go to the underground river. So we will bring you along. So stick with us.
So guys, apparently almost everything we shoot from this point was recorded without sound. How? No idea. But honestly, we are not surprised. We are probably the clumsiest vloggers on YouTube. Countless times we have been filming without the microphone, or noise reduction on the wrong settings, or I don't even know what. Professionalism at the finest, right? So yeah, the voice you are hearing right now, this has been recorded later, back at home. And since I have absolutely no idea what we were talking about out there, I will just improvise. So buckle up. Let's go. Okay. So here we are on our way to the most underground river in the world, literally. Don't ask me how it works. I'm not a geologist. I'm just a tourist with a camera. Yes, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Now Jean is speaking.
This underground river is known as one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and to reach it, we need to cross this park where there will be monkeys. And after that, we will sit in our bancas and float into that underground river. Do you want something to say?
I just wanted to add that this microphone is so wide. Yeah, because the other one was black, but it got wet when I walked into the sea with it. Yeah, I will hide the microphone now and put it in my pocket. And look around. Look right, look left, and then again right. Oh wow, nice shot of my pants. So this is the bay, and over there is the entrance. Okay. And we came from over there. So these are the helmets, because we need to wear helmets.
I will take the orange one, and I will take blue.
I will also take the orange one.
Maybe I will take this one. No, too big. So maybe I will also have the orange one. Oh, this one. No, too big. Okay, fine, I will take the blue. Hey, look, there are more orange ones here.
But they are in a cage. They are locked up.
Alright then, I will just take the blue. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Now we have to cross this park. We just follow the people in yellow vests. And of course, I put my helmet on top of the baseball cap. Because why not?
Look, there's a monkey.
Where?
There.
I don't see it. Wait, maybe. No. Ah, yes, there is it. Oh, one monkey. Wait, no. 3 monkeys. Hang on. Let me adjust the camera. Oh no, can't get it straight. Okay, zoom in. Yes, 1 monkey here, 2 monkeys there. Together 3 monkeys. Look like they are playing cards or maybe just eating something. And here's a sign, Puerto Princesa Underground River. New 7 wonders of nature. Nice. And here are some leaves. Now we keep walking and walking. Ladies and gentlemen, here we see monkeys jumping around, monkeying around. One baby monkey, another baby monkey. You know, this monkey has more subscribers than us. Kiss, 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 kiss. Come on, monkey. Come on, monkey. Cheep, 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 monkey. But remember, don't touch the monkeys. They can bite you or steal your phone or your wallet. Oh, now Mama Monkey is here to defend the babies. Okay, okay, I'm leaving. I won't disturb. Bye bye, Mama Monkey. And bye, baby monkeys. Well, I don't know what did I press. The camera has only 2 buttons, but the sound is back. But of course without noise reduction, so
To poszła sobie.
Ignoram.
Dobra, right.
Before maybe there are like lizards. The one we saw is one is for lizards and the other side. Yeah, it's so scary with the bats like flying all over. So since this is my third experience of the underground river, I still find it amazing, of course. And yeah, it still makes me anxious going inside the
Really?
cave, baby.
That was cool. I enjoyed that.
How about you?
Well, my everybody got this device that could listen in
Yeah, I did.
several different languages. Mine didn't work, but yeah, I admire the beauty of nature.
Cathedrals.
It's cool. Very cool. And it's not that crowded as I heard before in the other vlogs. So
Yeah, maybe it was a peak season nowadays.
perhaps. All right. And the sound is gone again. So we go back to studio voiceover and some quirky music in the background. What is this? Well, this one here is a local fruit named guayabano. It is very healthy and rich with antioxidants. It is anti-cancerous. Okay, but we want mango because Filipino mangoes are the best in the world. Here's a nice pile of mangoes. Hello lady, we will order mango and guayabano smoothie. We will have 3. How much is it? This will be 3 times a lot. Yes, let's have this yummy juicy guayabanos with mangoes. Mmm. Marcin, co to jest? To jest guayabano, mamo. Właśnie zamawiam u tej pani. Zamawiasz nam to? Tak. Razem z mango? Tak. Super. A jak to smakuje to guayabano? Nie wiem. Zaraz się dowiemy. Jest trochę kwaskowate i bardzo zdrowe. Tyle wiem. He. A, okej. No to skosztujmy. Here you go. In places like this, these things are usually overpriced. Ha ha ha! Here is your rest. Enjoy. Salamat po. Salamat po. Thank you. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and see you next time.